The Pacific Northwest is experiencing the worst snowstorm of the decade. Places like Oregon and Alberta, Canada are getting nearly a foot of snow every single day, and it doesn't look like it's gonna stop anytime soon. People on TikTok are posting videos of their entire houses being covered in snow, and there's cars being frozen in blocks of ice. And the ice is so thick to the point where they can't even scrape it off or defrost the vehicle, thus making it impossible for people to get to work and school. Not to mention all of the power outages that are happening as a result of the intense snowstorms, where people are now cuddling up with their pets for warmth as their fur is the only available heat source.